Universe, and welcome to my How to Trade Stock Benzinga review. But before we start, make sure you stick around for the end because I have a very special gift for you that can change your life. You know, it's changed mine. How to Trade Stock is a beginner stock trading course that aims to teach you the basics of trading strategies in the stock market. The short video course does cover the fundamental theory of stock trading. What it doesn't do is show you examples or provide practical steps. For example, the training explains concepts like day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. However, you won't see walkthroughs or popular platforms, how to find stocks to trade, how to execute trades, or any other over-the-shoulder material. In the world of trading education, Benzinga appears to have a decent reputation overall. While How to Trade Stock course may not be the most comprehensive, they seem to generally deliver on what they promise. The website itself and its CEO, Jason Raznick, is considered to be a trusted source of information when it comes to trading. The company has authored articles on highly regarded finance sites like Fidelity, Forbes, and Yahoo Finance. The course instructor Gianna Ponce is definitely involved in the trading space. It's unclear whether he currently trades himself or makes much money from it. Despite this, I did get the sense he was teaching from experience. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any reviews or testimonials for this course. Most reviews found in places like Trustpilot come from customers using Benzinga's flagship product called Benzinga Pro. While there's certainly no shortage of online chat about that product, mention of people even using their courses are seemingly nowhere to be found. Couldn't find them. So while it's possible that students of How to Trade Stock are getting results by following the training, I haven't seen any evidence of that at all. The training is a straightforward one-time fee of $47 for complete access. It seems there are no refunds available for How to Trade Stocks. The 7-module course is organized in a straightforward and easy to navigate manner despite not having a search function. Each 10 to 25 minute video is divided into lessons with short quizzes included in some modules. Here are a few things to like in How to Trade Stock Benzinga review. They are real, tried, and trusted fundamentals. The lessons are short and simple, easily digestible. Benzinga has a good reputation. A few things that might give you pause. Here it comes. There is a lack of significant success stories from students. It's somewhat expensive for the quality. There are lots of PowerPoint style videos, often telling you what to do rather than showing you with a simple screencast. It seems like the core training hasn't been updated since 2020. While the price of this course seems cheap at first glance, similar material can be found online for free or on YouTube or in a textbook. So I wouldn't really consider it a great value for money. A cynic might say that the main goal of this training is to upsell you into a $97 per year newsletter. That offer is linked in every lesson mentioned in the beginning of the course and is shown in the quiz question. It's important to note that successful trading requires practice, experience, and a solid understanding of market dynamics. This course can be a tool in your learning journey, but it should be complemented with a continuous education and a real-world application. In my opinion, this training is not worth your money, even if you're an absolute beginner looking for a super basic understanding of stock trading. The authority and experience behind Benzinga is likely packaged somewhere in their offering. As noted, I don't think you'll find in this course. As noted, I believe similar material can be found can be found online for free, or YouTube, or a textbook. I personally think the best online business is affiliate marketing. The upside is passive income, it has low startup costs, you can do it from anywhere, you don't have to buy product or hold inventory, you don't need customer service or a staff. To sum it all up, if you're looking to start a high ticket quality marketing business to get away from your 9-to-5 job, you don't know where to start, you should look at my free ebook. It gives you the 3 proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with affiliate marketing. Check the subscribe button, hit the link for your free ebook gift. Check it out just to see if affiliate marketing is for you. Hit the thumbs up or the thumbs down, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.